Welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Coq Inu on Coinbase Wallet. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Once there, simply scroll through and copy its contract address. So minimize and open up your Coinbase Wallet. And once you've opened up the Coinbase Wallet, in order to buy the Coq Inu, you're going to need some AVAX, as that's the native network of the Coq Inu token. So you could click on the buy icon at the top left, click on buy, and where we have network, select network and scroll and select Avalanche, which is the AVAX token, which is the native token of the Avalanche network. So we're going to be using this AVAX to be able to get ourselves some of the Coq Inu. So click on continue to payment to make use of your credit card via the Alchemy Pay option, which is basically putting in your credit card information and using the available currency, that's your native currency, be it the Great Britain pound or the Canadian dollar or the euro, to get yourself some of the AVAX tokens. So once you've gotten yourself some AVAX tokens, another option would be to click on the receive option, and you could easily copy your Ethereum address, which also has your Avalanche address inside. You could copy this address and deposit from an exchange or another wallet that hosts or has the AVAX tokens inside. So once you've gotten yourself some AVAX tokens on your wallet, simply head over to the browser section, select Uniswap, and where we have the Ethereum icon at the top, click on this Ethereum icon and scroll and select the Avalanche C chain. Once you selected Avalanche, your wallet will be connected automatically, and you could easily click on the select token option, paste the address for the Coq Inu, click on Coq Inu, click on I understand, enter an amount of AVAX you wish to swap into the Coq Inu token, and simply click on the swap option while paying a gas fee of 0.21. So guys, that's how you can easily get some Coq Inu on your wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.